The Drop Stop original patented car seat gap filler is a clever and practical accessory designed to solve a common and frustrating problem for drivers and passengers alike: the gap between the car seat and the center console, where small items often fall and become nearly impossible to retrieve. This product has gained significant attention, including being featured on Shark Tank, and it has amassed a large number of positive reviews from users across the internet. This review consolidates those experiences and provides a detailed expert overview of the Drop Stop, highlighting its features, performance, usability, advantages, and minor drawbacks. The Drop Stop is a universal fit device made from high-grade neoprene material that is flexible enough to contract or expand to fill the gap in virtually any vehicle, from compact cars to large trucks and SUVs. It attaches securely to the seatbelt catch via a built-in slot, which allows it to move with the seat as it adjusts, eliminating the need for constant repositioning or reinstalling. This design ensures that the Drop Stop stays in place and provides continuous protection against lost items, no matter how much the seat is moved. Installation is straightforward and quick, typically taking under 5 minutes. Users report that the product simply presses into the gap between the seat and the center console or armrest section, and it stays firmly in place without slipping or falling out, even with frequent seat adjustments. The neoprene casing is durable and washable, contributing to the product's longevity and ease of maintenance. It blends well with most vehicle interiors due to its neutral black color, which mimics the dark shadow of the gap, making it unobtrusive and aesthetically pleasing. One of the most praised aspects of the Drop Stop is its effectiveness. Customers consistently report that it completely blocks the gap, preventing phones, coins, keys, and other small items from falling into the hard-to-reach space. This not only saves time and frustration, but also reduces distractions while driving, promoting safety. Many users describe the peace of mind that comes from knowing their belongings are secure and easily accessible. The product package includes 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, making it a comprehensive solution for the front seats. Additionally, the package comes with 2 bonus items: a slide-free pad and an LED credit card-sized light. These extras are appreciated by users for their utility, with the light being particularly handy for locating items in the dark. Over the years, Drop Stop has proven to be a durable and reusable accessory. Many users have transferred their Drop Stops from one vehicle to another, including different makes and models, without any loss of functionality. The product's quality and design have stood the test of time, making it a cost-effective investment. It is also recyclable, which appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. While the product is highly regarded, some users note minor drawbacks. Because it is made of fabric, the Drop Stop can attract dust and lint, requiring occasional cleaning to maintain its appearance. However, this is a small inconvenience compared to the benefits it provides. Another point mentioned is the visible logo on the product, which some users do not prefer. However, flipping the Drop Stop over easily solves this issue, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the car interior. In summary, the Drop Stop original patented car seat gap filler is a simple yet ingenious solution to a widespread problem. It is well made, easy to install, and universally compatible with most vehicles. Its flexible neoprene material ensures a perfect fit, and its secure attachment to the seatbelt catch means it stays put without adjustment. The product effectively prevents items from falling into the gap, enhancing convenience and safety for drivers and passengers. The included bonus items add extra value, and the product's durability and reusability make it a smart purchase. This product is highly recommended for anyone who frequently drives or rides in a vehicle and has experienced the annoyance of losing small items between the seat and console. It also makes a thoughtful and practical gift for friends and family. The Drop Stop is a must-have automotive accessory that combines functionality, quality, and ease of use in a way few other products do. If you own this item, consider leaving a review to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.